I'm telling you this, you see, Alka, a Gaza bastard pitney no matter what. We are gonna always have a place in our heart for that prodigal son. Yeah?
That now go happen. That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Yo, me go kill the Gaza with news for them head. Right now, Trinidad promoters say them can't wait to see Alkaline again. Them can't wait for Alkaline come back at Trinidad.
A few moments later.
Me want to say this to all Vendetta fans. Uno start post uno artist accolades them.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Yo, Gaza and Vendetta fans, let me tell you something. Uno know the Gaza them always comment about SYM and down the video. You see if you want to hurt a Gaza fans, you see the emoji here? The sinking ship emoji. Now you're not chatting with no Gaza fans. All under them video. Just comment that sinking ship emoji under them video. Skillibeng. Oh, you're so bumbucklad, bad mind and wicked youth.
Jesus, please. It's like, no man. No man.
Yo, you know the Gaza eat more than Massacre lead. Yo, the Gaza they eat the emoji. Yo, fuck.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Cartel, you know see Massacre tap up on the billboard. How that happen? Make it make sense. But I sold out the Barkley twice.
People always ask her, say, is Alkaline influenced by Vibes Cartel? But here's the question I never hear nobody ask. Has Vibes Cartel ever been influenced by Alkaline?
Bumbo-rascal. Jamaica, stop!
I don't know what you with truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
So Vendetta boss represent fully.
I don't know one Media Fox bunny happiness. So people, the top 10 Caribbean song, Gyal, good. Me did think some I see some other song pan it chart, but me not see nothing. I just Gyal good alone. Look like Alkaline and holding dancehall artist. Yeah. So Gyal good a go on good. You see me? So tell them already, you know. Them not see nothing yet, you know, people. Yeah man, Gyal good a mash up the Caribbean man, to mash up the world man. Me I tell you that. You understand? I'll make you go in a video man. You see it?
I'm telling you this, you see, Alka, a Gaza bastard pitney no matter what. We are gonna always have a place in our heart for that prodigal son. You understand where I come from? Yeah man, in put in work, in pattern the general, in doing things and in becoming own man. No man can take that from him. So now
Yo, I say goddamn Gaza man, you well want Alkaline to be Gaza, you know? The man them well want Alkaline to be Gaza. Yeah man. Sometimes you have to just laugh. Brother, you don't have the biggest fan base in the dancehall. You need Alkaline on the side or what? They don't know when to get this prodigal son and this from Cartel and Rainer, bro. Cause that even make no sense, my G. Alkaline have him own talent. Look how much artists with Gaza and Ray and them not bad like Alkaline. Them career no reach Alkaline level. And them do everything with Cartel, do bleach, every little thing. You understand? And the youth talent and the youth how him carry himself, the branding, every little thing, and that make the youth great. You understand? And no Cartel make the youth great. Cause enough of them we link with Cartel and Raid with them career there. Look how much artists out the pattern, Cartel, or so-called we wanna say. How comes I just one alone? Tell me now people, how come I one alone? See, one artist alone? Move for me some man a youth success you don't want to come reap off a man. You understand? Yeah, cause years you not fight the youth, now you come talk about yo this pattern. Brother, I'm telling you already too late.
don't you hear even me and most people were out there say Gaza and talk. We have to pick which side at the end of the day. And there's a loyalty lie. But at the end of the day, we know say we bastard pinning. Alkaline, see him Alkaline them man. As much as you know I admit it, a Phoebe youth. And we want the best for him at all time and at all costs. Yeah man, that the youth there are the youth when it make it possible. Everybody else a turn tail and follow back. And him did decide for himself, say I'm gonna do it here. Yeah, a few bastard picking it, the same Alkaline there. Believe and believe. Me I tell you that.
You say youth success and mad them out there. Look at Gaza fans now. I give Alkaline credit. All of the years with the fight and the this and the that and now. That's how Alkaline say everything are gonna make sense soon. Everything. That's why Vice Cartel say, oh, them they want a next Vice Cartel, so them get one. We no feel as so. Wait, remember Alkaline tell you, I go see the wagon a pass and can't roll out. Remember me telling you that.
Yo, remember, kill the guys with news for at them it. Right now, Trinidad promoters say them can't wait to see Alkaline again. Them can't wait for Alkaline come back at Trinidad. Oi, Alkaline draw them over 20,000 people. Mash up the place. And when they come and tell them say Alkaline mash up his show. What you think I chat more like chat? Guys are not gonna like this, you know.
People, man, Alkaline shell down Trinidad, flatten it. You think a tsunami? Yeah, man, shell down a Trinidad, man. 20 odd. Remember 20 odd him doing a Guyana, you know. Yo, that youth has raised the bar and them think a joke. Them not see nothing yet, man. Wait, man. Now go see what go on.
Cause I don't see an alien come on the show. I know real people come on Alkaline show.
Right now, people, them not change that. I say, yo, them good Alkaline. Yeah, man, Alkaline for forward, but them not want cartel down there. Judge, I know.
Cause I don't see a fake people come there. Cause I don't see the people in my AI. And video them use and make the show look big. No. And the promoter come and tell them, say, thank Alkaline. Alkaline sell off the show. Them can't wait to see Alkaline again. Any show you book Alkaline for it a shell down. Alkaline a bring the choir go everywhere in the world. Any show you put Alkaline pan is a choir. Whatever you want one. Just when you hear Alkaline say 1, 2, 3. And when me never listen to me. Listen to me. Good. Alkaline and massacre for them time. Gaza not gonna like this, you know. Hello Gaza. Trinidad promoter say thank you to Alkaline for the success I show Alkaline do. Me don't think when say show go flop. Me don't talk. Me want to say this to all vendetta fans and all genocide fans. When you start post on artists accolades them. When you see Alkaline at travel everywhere and mash up the show them. When you flood the internet with Alkaline success, when mash up the whole life show them. When you post big clippings and the man choir them. When Gyal good, 1, 2, 3, all I sang with be a choir. Every show Alkaline go a choir, you know. Real choir like in a church, you know.
Yeah, man, you know, normal, man. You see me? But we always supposed to think, always, you see me? Make them know all, man. You see it? At the end of the day, them can't hide it. You see me? Them have to recognize it.
You hear me? I say, uno post, uno artist thing. Uno post it. All of the genocide fans, them uno post massacre thing. Uno see how much Billboard thing and how much this and how much that uno post, uno artist thing and promote. Uno artist. Uno don't promote none about artists around here. And that's right there. Some artists do things to get promote. Wine in a brief, do this, do that. Remember, you know? What was the biggest thing at Regular where everybody remember?
I say see them breed, man.
Think about it. Was it not the announcement? The same announcement thing with J Progress when come build up one little momentum around one little thing. We see them, it was the announcement, was the memorable moment at Regular. So don't feel like we blackers out here to do something. I know it to promote some artists, but guess what? We not promote them no more. If we even call them name, I know nothing for them get promoted, you know. And something for them no want we call them name, but remember good man.
Every day them say, yo, every day you call man name, but if people stop calling him name, I go get lost in the sauce. We don't know that. People talking about your artist, it'll make the artist get more relevant in the space. You understand? So any day people stop talking, I eat that, you know, brother. Yeah, man.
So if them want to jump off of one building and things, so they have wing for fly and broke all them neck, them now you about it from we. Make them own fans go promote it. Promote on artists. Promote vendetta. Promote genocide. Everything with the man them. If them blow them nose, promote it on social media and send on the artists a road. We don't give some other artists too much promotion around here and I eat them and live off and a wait pan. It done. Anything with them hear them name pan, and with them no one hear them name pan. Remember good.
Yeah, man, I say things that.
Yo, Gaza and Vendetta fans, let me tell you something. When you know the Gaza, them always comment about SYM and down the video. You see if you want to hurt a Gaza fans, you see the emoji, yeah? The sinking ship emoji. Now you're not chatting with the Gaza fans. All under them video. Just comment that sinking ship emoji under them video. You get them mad.
Yo, man, man, easy, man, emoji, the sinking ship. Jaja, you.
me tell you something I see happen from the other day. And me tell you say, me like it. Me see vendetta and genocide attack the Gaza them in a them one video and any chat where they make under other people video. Them get attacked. That's one of the nicest thing to see. And you know why? It's because for over years now, Gaza supporters have been doing that. Right now, the Gaza is at beer. And I love to see what I want. Remember, if every day you know attack a man, one day the attacker will turn back on you. Alright.
And them can't take the pressure. Gaza can't take the pressure. You understand? Remember years them a fight and I say this about people. Now can't build up and everybody have to do them own thing and now them a ball this and that and we not see nothing yet. Remember that?
No, genocide now give them a ease. As they make a video or make a post, the crooks them under the comment section and beat them. And vendetta under the comment section and beat them. I saw it figure. When I realize how them humble from the other day, if you want to hurt them man, just comment the sinking ship under them video or any Skillibeng. Oh, you're so bumbuckled, bad mind and wicked youth. Brother, your thief retical style and on top of that, you try to bury the man and hide him from the industry. Everybody knows your retical used to write for your Skillibeng. Everybody knows your retical style, your thief. Skillibeng, let me tell you something. Oftentimes, you know, you have a man thief a man style and boss with it.
Let me tell you what going on with retical and Skillibeng. To me, let me tell you what, you see because what makes Skillibeng jump out and when Skillibeng jump out, Cartel reach out to him. You understand? At the Gaza push Skillibeng in a way. If you realize retical, we don't know if retical are picking aside. You understand? But the Gaza push Skillibeng. You see me? So once the Gaza system them a push and then sang them plus you don't know say alright him a do collaboration with Cartel. Then you don't know the label signing as well too. You see me? Yeah, at that kind of retical never really up that. I don't know a bad artist in but it's just a team of their own him. Him not really have it like that. You see me at that and Chewy maybe not pick no side or so. I don't know if him ever pick no side so I don't know people make me know. You see it?
You see a real youth and know say yo, I got them on the style him always give them a strength. But no, when you used to the run retical and you find all these big songs, Mr. Universe and all these big songs, all them little nice little culture made song there. And retical used to write them. And see you come out here come say retical a pussy there. After your thief man style and come out here talk like you're this and you're that and ray. Remember you did want the industry for 8 retical. If retical name get locked up, nobody would know see a long time when one retical got prison and career done. Nobody would know that until retical get locked up. But me glad say retical out and want to defend him thing. Him man not thief, no man style. Skillibeng you're thief. And you know help back the youth on my east side neither. I saw no stay on a sellout. Yo, you know the Gaza eat more than Massacre lead. Yo, the Gaza they eat the emoji and yo fuck. Me say, if you want a Gaza man head chip, put up the emoji here with the ship a sink.
When you hear that people get the ship sinking.
Man they eat the emoji yo fuck. Yo. Cartel, you see Massacre tap up on the Billboard. How that happen? Make it make sense. But I sold out the battery twice.
Yeah. I see him thinking man would have saying a dog. That's all the man can say though. Arena, this and that, arena. That's all him a go use, bro. And him know say because him never did that do them something and behind bars him lock up and bag a thing.
You can't do no more Barclays because the prison hype done. How that happen? Tell me. Make it make sense. But I sold out the Barclays twice. Them say the youths them are going better than you because what them are doing in their 30s, you never did that doing in your 30s. Make it make sense. But remember, I sold out the Barclays twice.
John, no dog. Sold out the Barclays twice. I don't know how long that I go hold for, but there's more. You understand? And remember I said that. So I just gotta tell you that because of the advantage. The demand. People not seen him perform for years. So for that him run with it, no? You see me? Run with it. Because if I something more, only thing where you can hold on to, just hold on to it.
Say out here, I compete with the youth them. And the man they were bigger than you in a dance hall. Now I compete with you. One, tell me. Make it make sense. Yes, but remember, I sold out the Barclays and the O2 Arena twice. You have to go remind them, you know. You have to go remind them who is the real boss.
People always ask her, say, is Alkaline influenced by Vibes Cartel? But here's the question I never hear nobody ask.
And do we influence people? Alkaline and Vibes Cartel. Just picture the two artists them. Just look how they move. Internet and every other thing. Performance, every other thing, right? You feel like, say, Alkaline inspired by Cartel? Because these two man, they move different. One life more private, him not two in the internet thing, Cartel in the internet every day. So me not understand. Alkaline don't even talk like that. You see me, him talk less, he making music talk. Vice Cartel not too making music talk. Him dey on internet every day. Whatever him for do, content creator, YouTube channel, everything him create. But Alkaline another person. Someone wonder where if him alright, if somebody inspire, right? Where Cartel I do, where Alkaline I don't know. Like we are talking about personality wise and all of them little thing there. Where am I do? Where the similarity are, what they there? You understand? What they there? We not really see none. Only just compare Alkaline to Vice Cartel because of Alkaline's success. The youth reached now live in a short space of time than we Cartel would have taken a film career when him just forward out. You understand? Alkaline career does a more peak early. Mean the youth I do something early in his career at a younger age. You understand? Vice Cartel wasn't do that at his younger age like what Alkaline would have do. You see me? So me not understand. Alkaline is just a great artist. But through them see the youth greatness, them try for time to Cartel, for make Cartel look good. Based on or career wise. That's what them always do. You understand? Every artist them want tied to Vice Cartel. And tell me what the artists them want do tied to Vice Cartel. Them not to dip on the level of Alkaline there. You remember say Popcorn did have to left for Gaza. If you go do what him do, you know. You understand? I feel left for Gaza for do what him do. You see it? Cause we never hear uno say Popcorn Ray with Cartel yet. We not understand. We never hear them say the Gaza DJ them. Yo, Ray with Vice Cartel or get this from Vice Cartel. Because it take more than one person to inspire a youth, you know. Don't feel like a one person. And I feel like say through Alkaline. Because you know what the worst thing people, if Alkaline if I wrote and say Gaza, none of them talk I would make. None of them talk I would make. You see the thing is that what them do, you see because Alkaline make it in a dancehall. So what them want to do, them want to bring down him legacy by say yo him copy Vice Cartel. You see if Alkaline did fall out and say yo big up Vice Cartel, Ray, them wouldn't care. Me I tell you, them wouldn't care. You see it? Me I tell you, cause enough of the artists them do it. Them don't care about them artists there. You see me? Or the artists them when they bow to Vice Cartel. You see me? Cause once you bow to Vice Cartel, you know, it's like you like you're there on one bench. Nobody not paying no mind. You see me? Only when them ready for use you, them say yo forward, do this, go down and shop down there, sir. You understand? When they not bow to Vice Cartel, them go look across the field and see you. And say alright.
Has Vibes Cartel ever been influenced by Alkaline? Especially if the stay relevant while incarcerated for 13 years. What do you think?
Cause that me I say, you know. We see when Alkaline do After All and Vice Cartel go sing, say, Fim dog, them have to live when Alkaline say, yo, him have couple dog would have dead for him. So, I don't know. He might watch you. Remember say Alkaline ain't in media like that, you know, me. So, Alkaline just do him thing. You see me? Remember every day Cartel get up and post and say this arena sold out, Ray. You never see Alkaline brag about them thing upon him Instagram page. Me I tell her that. Them youth they stay far from the media. You see it? He maybe see certain things, but he not too meds it. I know the haters them stay. You see me? So them can say what them want to say. You see it? That just a youth greenness and mad them. You see me? Yeah, cause Vice Cartel have him son them. I never hear them I try claim them. I say, yo, his son them this. You see how we play a clip a while ago, them I say, yo, Vice Cartel this a man your son. Imagine Vice Cartel have 2 sons where do music. And the man them not own them up. Like how you see him own up Alkaline. You see people? You see it? The man them only care about the artists where the artists are going with good things and have great work, good career. Cartel have him son them and me never hear them Gaza man you say, yo, a them youth I know, this and that. Man them not give Cartel son them no strength. But every day them get up Alkaline, yo Alkaline and Cartel. Yo, Alkaline, yo copy from this. Cartel now have 2 sons to man. What? Through them now establishing the game. Or what son now own them up. Through Skillibeng go international and I say, yo Ray, this, that, yo Skilly this. When you usually do that with Massacre and Massacre cut now. Una this Massacre and bag of thing. Although Massacre traitor still car. Them usually this up vendetta because the Gaza boots him. Now him a get fame like a Ray because I'm not really getting a fight. Massacre not getting a fight. And you fight a win. You see fastest man in the world left him track and forward a party a pay DJ say yo pay Gaza no vendetta. You understand? Yeah man, so I don't know everybody, every DJ play a Massacre song them. But they not pay nobody if you not play a Massacre song. So Massacre not really get in a fight, brother. All we go on is just some internet talk and some internet hating thing. I just that, brother. Him not get in a fight. You see me? The whole system, everybody with him, the whole reggae side, they on him side. So I just want them thing the people. You don't know what media facts pan up, you know. Yeah man, I'm mad thing. That is it.